Hi, this is Parminderpal Singh Sandhu. I am a student of St.Clair College and I am going to represent my report on troubleshooting specific windows. The word troubleshooting is known to solve the problems. Just like that, our body has an antibiotics which fight with the disease, and similar to this, troubleshooting program in a computer deal with the softwares or the applications to prevent them from the errors. Now I am going to begin with my first topic, that is important data on the hard drives. Even if the data is lost or corrupted, you might be able to recover the data by using the window tools, third-party softwares, and commercial data recovery services. If that's not working, then you can access the data by manually. I am going to tell you how it's possible. First of all, you need a SATA to USB converter kit. Just it consists of a data cable just like this and a power adapter. Power adapter is similar to your PC's charger, but instead of this port, that is charging port, there is an port to which connect with a hard drive, and this port data cable is connected with an hard drive to a USB port of the working computer, and you can access all the data in the hard drive just in a seconds. Now we are going to start with the topic second, which is of error messages and problems. Well, error messages is not a problem. Well, it's good to have an messages before doing the troubleshooting, because when you got an error, you have to research it and to find it. What's the error is telling about? What the thing is not working in a PC well? Because error messages will prevent the computer to boot itself by like the hard drives, device drivers, or application of the Windows, which can control the computers if there is not the error messages. To prevent your PC to boot itself, you have to go for BIOS and UEFI setup only in Windows 10 or 8 and disable any quick boot features. This causes the BIOS UEFI to do more job of post and report more information on the screen as it performs the post. Hard drives might be failing. To recover the data from the hard drive, move it to another computer and install it as second hard drive. Now our third topic is of problems with user profiles. If window bogs down right after a user sign in, the problem might be with the loading the user profile. In this situation, the user might see a black screen with a spinning dots for several minutes. Well, to fix this problem, go to the control panel. It's very simple, like click run the troubleshooting, then follow on the screen directions. You have to make sure that the window updates are applied. Run SFC scan now to fix the problem with the system files. If you want to rebuild the user profile for Windows 10, perform a reset. Be sure to back up the data before you do a reset. You can recover the account by deleting it without deleting the files, then creating the new one with the same name. If you want to delete the user account, then open the control panel, select the account, click the delete the account, then click keep files, then click delete account. If you want to repair your user profile, then you have to follow some steps. Well, it needs some intention, like you can copy the important data files in the user profiles. Go to the control panel, click advanced system settings. In the system properties, select the advanced tab, click settings under user profiles, then delete it. Both the process need the computer to restart it afterwards. Now our fourth topic is about error messages on a blue screen. Mostly the hardware and the software usually represent their error messages in the form of the blue screen of death. On Windows is named as a stop errors. Usually the BSOD message is definitely time to go for troubleshooting. Well, as it's not a good sign itself. Our fifth topic is about solving stop errors. Right, solving the BSOD messages. But it's very simple. You have to disconnect all the external devices like the USB monitor or projectors from the computer, and if possible restart the system and enable the boot logging. Well, moreover, the restart the computer a couple of times. Sometimes that's all you need to fix the problem. If the Windows got the error messages, it automatically launched the auto repair program. Our sixth and last topic is about Windows is corrupted. Windows is only corrupted when there is a missing boot configuration data, and tries using the bootrex and the rebuild bcd command to recover that data. Sometimes this is due to the improper shutdown. To solve this, try to update the Windows and verify the memory with the memory diagnosis. Try to imply some of the commands to recover the data. If there is not appearing any graphics, then try launching a command promote in the Windows RE and use it to perform a system restore. Specific windows need different method of solving the errors. Mostly try to restore the previous version of the drivers. If you counter any type of the messages, to prevent the system from the errors, you have to create an image file or create a recovery boot media to recover your data or the Windows if any kind of trouble will happen on your PC.